This is Motorola Moto G85, and today I'll show how you can fix the Wi-Fi connectivity issues on this device. First you will need to, or I suggest that you launch your device's settings. Then inside the settings enter the network and internet category, then open the Wi-Fi page. First try to toggle the Wi-Fi feature off and on. Then what you might also want to do is to, forget whatever network you are experiencing issues with, like that. So forget it and then reconnect your device to the same Wi-Fi network. Then what you also can try is to synchronize your date and time, or simply make sure that time and date on your system are set correctly. And the way to go is to enter the system category of settings. Here then go for the date and time. And at the date and time page, switch on two options: set time automatically and set time zone automatically. And the final troubleshooting method I suggest you try is to reset your Wi-Fi preferences and settings, which you can do by once again entering the system category, then go into the reset options. Here select the reset Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, reset, and here you have it. And as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So should you have any further questions, leave them in the comment section below. But as for now, thanks for watching and bye bye.